Today, I'll show you how to set up email connection in Clio Manage. Whether you're a legal professional looking to streamline communication or simply someone new to Clio Manage, connecting your email can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings. You can find this option on the left-hand menu of your Clio Manage dashboard. This is where you can customize various features and integrations, helping you make the most out of the software. Once you're in the settings area, look for the option that says Apps. Go ahead and select it. This section is designed to help you connect different applications and services to Clio Manage, making your workspace more integrated and efficient. Now that you're in the Apps section, it's time to focus on the Microsoft Google tab. Depending on the email provider you use, you'll need to click on this tab. This is crucial because it allows Clio Manage to access the specific settings and permissions needed to connect to your email account, whether it's with Google's Gmail or Microsoft's Office 365. It's all about making sure everything is set up correctly from the start. Once you've clicked on the appropriate tab, you'll see an option to connect. Here's where you need to decide if you're linking to a Google account or a Microsoft Office 365 account. Look for the Connect button next to the email provider you use. Clicking this button will initiate the connection process. It's essentially telling Clio Manage, hey, I want you to link with my email account to improve my communication and workflow. After clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to log into your email account. This step ensures that Clio Manage has the necessary permissions to access your emails and integrate them seamlessly into your workflow. Don't worry, this is a secure process, and it's only done to make sure that your emails can flow smoothly into Clio Manage. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process. You might have to authorize Clio Manage by granting it permission to access your email account. This is a standard step in integrating third-party applications. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, Clio Manage will automatically sync with your email account. This means that all your incoming emails will now be accessible directly through Clio Manage. You'll be able to manage your emails, respond to them, and even link them to specific cases or tasks within the platform. This integration can save you a lot of time and effort, making your day-to-day tasks much more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your email connection in Clio Manage. By following these straightforward steps, you've taken a significant step towards enhancing your productivity and ensuring that all your communications are neatly organized within your Clio Manage workspace. Remember, integrating your email isn't just about convenience. It's about optimizing how you work so you can focus more on what matters. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance with your Clio Manage setup. Happy organizing!